YouTube channel. It's still your favorite graphic designer, Vixen Tech. So guys, in today's tutorial I'm going to be teaching you guys how you can design this amazing simple church flyer design. You can see that this design is not complex, but then it is very simple, and I'm going to take you through the design process that's behind this amazing flyer. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay guys, this is my PixelLab. Lest I forget, if you know you are new here, please kindly hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that YouTube can notify you whenever I drop a new content. So guys, I would like you to click on this last icon, go to color, give it a black color, beautiful. Click on the center icon. Now let's import the background of the design. This is the background, so stretch it, make sure it covers your workspace. Now I would like us to work on this background, so go to color filters, increase the saturation to 20, yes, increase the brightness to 12, then increase the contrast to 5. That's okay. Now click on this, lock the background, beautiful. Now the next thing we need to import is the hand holding the trophy. Yes, so increase it, place it there. Now duplicate it by clicking on copy, delete the one behind. The reason why we always duplicate is so that we can retain the quality of the image. If you fail to duplicate it, you might lose the quality of the image. So the only way you can retain the quality of the image is by duplicating it. Now click on the icon below the three dots, lock the image. Now click on the A icon, go to text, click on edit, quickly write 3 days revival. It's a revival program, yes, beautiful. Place it here, then go to font. We'll be using a PixelLab font for this write-up, and the name of the font is called Bricolage. Don't worry, I'm going to be dropping the name of the font on the description so that you can easily download it on that font. So click on it, yes, click on OK. So go to color, click on color. This is the color we'll be using. So stretch it, so rotate it a little, so leave it there for now. Now the next thing we need to bring in is the logo of the church. So click on the center icon, go to import. This is the logo of the church. Reduce it, place it there. Now for this particular image, let's take it down a little. Okay, it's okay there. Go back, lock it again, then click on this logo. Let's bring it down. Okay, I think it's okay there. The name of the church is Foursquare Gospel Church. So click on your A icon, go to text, click on edit, Foursquare Gospel Foursquare Gospel Church. That's the name of the church. Click on OK. Reduce it, place it here, and go to color. We'll be giving it a black color this time around. Then also go to font. We'll be using Metropolis bold. Yes. Still reduce it a little. Okay. Take this to the other side. Now click on the name of the church again. Copy it. Go to edit. The branch is Ijebu. Click on this. Ijebu Jesa Missionary Zone. Missionary Zone. That's okay. Bring it down. Go to font. We'll be using a light font for this right up. So we'll be using Metropolis regular. That's okay. Reduce it. Then place it here. That's okay. Awesome. Now we'll be importing a write up, and that write up is Victory. The name of this font is Evil Empire. Don't worry, I'll be dropping it in the description below, so do well to check in the description for the names of the fonts if you want to download them. So do well to check in the description below. The next is Arts. Yes, that's the theme of the program. Victory at last. So click on this icon below the three dots. Take this text behind. Okay, place it there. Victory at last. Go to import. Let's import this right up. That reminds me, if you want to have access to the design resources, do well to check the description below. You will find the link to my Telegram group. Click on the link and you will definitely have access to all the design resources the moment you join my Telegram group. So Victory at last. Okay, let's reduce this right up a little. Okay, increase this a little. Okay, this is okay. Let's shift this a little. Okay, also shift this. This is good. Now the next write up is the date of the meeting. This is the date, Friday and Saturday by 4 p.m. So place it here. Click on this, take it below the image, or behind the image rather. Okay, so leave it there. Yes, leave it there. Reduce it a little. Okay, click on this image, take it to the, shift it a little. Yes, and shift this a little. Now let's adjust. Go back and lock it. Let's adjust the right up. Let's adjust the right up. Adjust it. Okay. Also adjust this other one. Adjust it. Okay. Okay. This is okay. adjust this a little, also adjust this, reduce it a little. While designing, you need to be calculative. It is very important. You need to use your eyes to check if each of the design elements are properly aligned or arranged. If they are not properly aligned, you really need to arrange them so that they can look good and attracting. One of the things that attracts people to your design is alignment, and alignment happens to be one of the key principles of graphic design. So in case you are not familiar with the principles of graphic design, I encourage you to go and learn the principles of graphic design. So let's import the next thing in. This element, reduce it again, reduce it again, reduce it, place it here. Click on this image. Let's reduce this image a little. Okay, leave it there. Reduce this. That's okay. Then adjust this. Go back and lock the image. Okay, there's something I want us to do. Click on this, highlight this, and also highlight this. Click on this again. Let's bring them down a little. Okay, that's okay. Beautiful. Then bring this down too. The next thing we need to import is the address. This is the address. Place it here. Okay, we're almost done with the design. Click on this, yes. Go to your A icon, copy it, go to edit, write scene. Yeah. So go to position, bring it down, bring it down, bring it down. Yes, bring it down, bring it down. Okay, beautiful. Go to spacing. Let's space it. Okay, beautiful. Okay, leave it there. Sorry about that. Click on theme. Okay, sorry, let's lock those write-ups. I want us to work on theme. Let's rotate it a little. Place it there. Sorry about that. Okay, rotate it a little. Okay, I think this is better. The next thing we need to import is our flying curtain. So guys, this is our flying carpet. Let's crop this unnecessary part out. Beautiful. Rotate it. Okay, place it there. Okay, beautiful. Copy it. Take this other one behind that image. Okay, so bring it down. Sorry about that. So reduce it. increase it. Okay, go to eraser, increase this. Let's erase this part a little. So increase it. Okay, please make sure you erase your own very well so that that part will not be seen. Rotate it. Okay, and this is better now. It's better now. So guys, if you don't, remember to save as project and also as image. So let's save it as image so that we can edit the design. So quickly go to Snapseed as usual, open, let's import the design, click on pop, beautiful, click on tools, go to tune image, increase the contrast, increase the ambience, increase the shadow, increase the warmth a little. Okay, beautiful. Click on tools, go to details, increase the structure, increase the sharpening. So guys, we are done with this design. If you know that you are gaining value from my YouTube channel, please do not hesitate to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you can get notified whenever I drop amazing content on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for staying with me. See you in my next video, and don't forget to export your image as JPEG. Thank you so much. I appreciate your presence.